This is Makeup Battle Season 1, the ultimate contest of brains, beauty, and creativity. Each week, 2 artists will put their skills on display in front of a live virtual audience hosted by Picture Studios. The winner of this head-to-head battle will advance to the next round for a shot at our grand prize of $500. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, this is Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Enya Flack for a recap of the second round. Hi Enya.
Hi Crystal, good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Crystal Jennings was the winner of last week's contest. Crystal won 77% of the vote and had an average score of 4.53. Congratulations, Crystal. I also want to send a special thank you to Kayla, who did a fantastic job as well. I want to thank everybody who voted last week at MakeupBattle.com. Next week, we'll begin the victory round. The winner of each match during round 3 will advance to the grand finale in October. Now let's meet our special guest, Enya Flack from Actors Resource. Hey Enya, tell us about yourself.
Oh, what can I say, Crystal? How are you doing? Well, I am primarily an actor. I've been acting now for longer than I'd like to admit, but definitely over 20 years. I worked in LA for a very long time. I was very blessed to do a lot of work. I've been a series regular, and I continue to act here on the East Coast. I'm currently working on a show called Our Kind of People, and that's going to be on Fox. It's going to be airing on Fox in a couple of weeks. And yeah, I love makeup. I don't know how good I am at doing it myself, but I love having it put on me. It's a great actor's tool.
I understand that. That is wonderful. I have a question for you. What's it like having makeup done on set?
I love it. I love it because, you know, as I said, it's a tool for the actor, and you know you can become a different character just with the change of a little bit of makeup. The show that I'm working on right now is very high end, and the makeup is gorgeous. I was just looking at some photos that the makeup artist did. Lots of beautiful lashes, and you know, just like high. Anyway, it's kind of amazing to me. It's fun because it transforms you.
I love it. Love it. Well, I'm sure you know a thing or two about makeup, so I'm glad to have you here as a guest.
Thank you. Good to be here.
All right. Today's episode is a recap of round 2. We'll take a look back at the last 4 battles, starting with the Mardi Gras Challenge, featuring Kaylin and Mickey.
Both of these ladies did an amazing job with this look. I love the use of yellow, especially that Kaylin has used the more intense yellow. I'll say that she used above the eye, and I also love the green underneath. That's really pretty. That's not something that I personally would think to do, but it's gorgeous, especially with her brown eyes. That's really pretty. On Mickey. Beautiful. I like the way she blended it both above and below the eye. Looks like she did the same sort of treatment, I guess is the word I want to use, above and below the eye. It's really pretty. And the lashes, the lashes are fabulous. And also the paler lip, more subtle lip is gorgeous.
Yes, love these looks. I agree with you. Kaylin loved the pop of the gold and the green. It just really made her eyes stand out. And with Mickey, I love the use of color on the top and the bottom, and like you said, her lashes, love it's just a really fun look. So I really enjoy these looks. All right, the second episode was very competitive. Shelby created a Victorian goth look with the wig to match, and Kiera showed her creativity by mixing goth with glitter. Check it out.
Kiara, oh my gosh, these colors are amazing on her. I just absolutely adore the white mascara. That is everything. It's gorgeous. And the black lipstick, you know, the great thing about darker colors on lips, it makes your teeth look whiter. So her teeth look gorgeous. That's a really pretty look. And Shelby, wow, that wig is everything. And the contrast of the dark lips, the smoky eye, will say, and not to mention the lashes. Again, I'm just loving all of these lashes against the paler skin, and that wig, fabulous.
I agree. My favorite part of Kiara's look, the mascara under her eye. I love that. Love that. That was like my favorite part. That touch and a little bit of like the glitter over her eyes. And for Shelby, the wig. She killed it with the wig and then the necklace. It really brought her look together. And she did a great job overall. All right. The third matchup was a lot of fun. Brittany staked her claim as the queen of the Queen City, while Gavin unveiled a makeup look that was out of this world.
Gavin gets super points for creativity on this. Wow. Just the jacket, the money jacket's amazing, but also the pearl, those are pearls on his on his face,
yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, amazing. So creative, and I just love the way he's also highlighted the cheekbone to give that really, you know, very chiseled, very strong, gorgeous. And Brittany is the queen. Look at her. Wow. I love the use of the light color and sort of in the tear duct area, and the brows are fabulous as well. Just a really pretty overall look.
Yes, two very strong looks. Gavin really killed it. The pearls, the jacket, Brittany, the crown, the necklace, just the look overall. Two great money looks. All right. The last battle of round 2 was memorable as well. Crystal stepped outside of the box by adding some color, and Kayla jumped outside of the box to bring the heat.
Kayla, wow, incredible use of color. I think she's got, I think she used every color in the crayon box. This is beautiful. And I love the flames above her eyes. I just love color, and that is incredible. And also the white inside her eye on the bottom makes her eyes pop out even more. All those colors really stand out even more with the white, the use of white eyeliner on the bottom. And Crystal, wow. Classic. Just love the beautiful, like a hot pink lip, I guess it is. And the lashes again. Those lashes are getting me. I love them. She looks beautiful.
Loving the lashes. So for Kayla, loved her look. She really, like you said, she used all the colors to really make it a very cohesive look. Everything just really popped and stood out together. And Crystal, nice clean look, great with the blending, and love those lashes. All right, well, Enya, I want to thank you again for being a part of today's episode. Any last words before we go?
I'm glad I don't have to be the judge of this. I'm glad I only have to comment on it, because I think the makeup artist did an amazing job. Just, keep doing creative things and making people beautiful.
Thank you so much, Enya. All right, guys, I want to thank everyone for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Stay tuned for a special announcement about our grand finale in October. All right, see you later. Bye. Makeup Battle's coming to Raleigh for a live event on Saturday, October 30th. This is your chance to meet stars from the show as they compete for the grand prize of $500. Fashion models will be walking the runway along with music and A-Dub from K97.5. And if you like taking photos, get there early for a pop-up selfie experience by Picture Studios. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin.